How to use TikTok in dark mode. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can use TikTok in dark mode, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. So if you actually want to use TikTok in dark mode, all you have to do is just go ahead and launch the TikTok application on your phone. Then once you launch the TikTok app, keep in mind that dark mode is only available at the moment for iPhone users, not for Android. On Android, no matter what you do, whether you force dark mode or whatever else you do, the option is simply not available. For iPhone users, open up TikTok, then tap on the profile icon from the bottom right hand side, and you can see currently I'm on the light theme. So if I want to switch to a darker theme, I just need to tap on the three lines icon from the top right, and then here I would find the option called settings and privacy from the bottom. Just tap on that option again. So when you go to settings and privacy, scroll down, and under content and display you'll find the option called display. Now by the time you watch this video, the interface could be a little bit different. Today it is written as display, tomorrow it could be written as appearance. So keeping that thing in mind, just go to the option called display, and at the very top you can see light and dark, or you can also tune on device settings, which means if your iPhone is in dark mode, your TikTok app is going to follow accordingly if your iPhone is in light mode, and vice versa again. So currently it is in light mode. I just want to set it to dark mode, so I'll just tap on the dark. As soon as you select dark, you can see our TikTok app will be successfully and then instantly switch just like that. And that's all it takes to go ahead and simply switch to TikTok in dark mode. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.